I was waiting for Stony to come online yesterday. He never did. And I fell asleep. Now I'm eating some rolled oats. I got some tea as well. Chilling here in my little cave. Yes came home early in the morning. Woke me up. Been up since 9 a.m. I think. I'm waiting for someone to get back to me about a second-hand e-bike charger for Dion's bike. I'm gonna go buy it if he'll get back to me today. I also have a few packages that arrived at my cousin's place. I gotta pick those up eventually too. Maybe today. Let's see. But yeah, for now, just a chill start to the morning. Check it out, guys. The snow's basically all melted now. Alright, here we go again, guys. Let's do some shopping. But I want to ride fast, so I'll stop filming right here. I asked the other guys, the guy I keep hanging out with every evening, and yes, if they wanted something. But the things they want I already bought, so I guess I'm just getting a milk and some tortillas for soft shell tacos tonight, and then I'm going home. Easy trip. Let's see if I can't find a way to waste some money, some deliciousness. Yesterday I didn't get around to show you, but I tried one of these. They're meh. I think the original's better. I honestly don't really think any of the other version of the booster is even worth getting. Like, the pink one is decent, but yeah, real booster's the best. I got elderflower concentrate at home already. Yes, wanted me to buy Coke. We already have that at home. Maybe I'll get some Top Form or some other soda. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Yes, woke up and I came back. It's so nice. The snow's all melted. I'm able to go all the way from my front door all the way to shopping and back without stepping off the wheel. A little bit out here, but it's melted enough that I can go through it. I really gotta stop drinking these. It's just, I finally have a little bit of money to the point where buying these is not actually gonna fuck with my budget. And I got a message from the government today that I am going to be receiving quite a bit of welfare. Like the adult version of welfare, essentially, like a real amount, not just a few $100 to scrape off some kind of existence, to eke out some kind of existence. So things are about to get better. I got some. This is the bag I use for shopping. I got another snack. I always bring over a snack to me and Jess's common friend. One day it was one snack, the other day another snack, and now I'm gonna try this one, see how he likes these.
He's hard to snack.
Yeah, yeah, he is. But I think he appreciates it. Oh shit, der er lys på, sorry. Jeg vidste ikke, at lyste lige op i fjeset. Sorry. Yes, made some, what is this, dal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Quick dal.
Yeah, with some rice. For our friend as well. This right here is the brutal part about living here. It is walking back to the common places, like the kitchen or the bathroom. It's so cold, even with no snow. It's like 1 degree outside. I did some vacuuming here earlier. It was about time. These are the kind of things you need to be able to do on your own accord when you live in a commune. Just start doing stuff. Best thing is to do more than you make dirty, because you never really truly have an understanding of how much you actually make dirty. So it's important to be proactive. So people don't get tired of your ass. I'm gonna make some jasmine rice with béarnaise gravy and some broccoli. I still got some broccoli left. I think I'm gonna make half of this thing. Let's go. Good news, guys. It looks like Thomas and Yes helping me out dealing with the government is making it so that I'm gonna be getting a whole lot of money without really having to do much. Like there's a few things they want me to do, but even those, the guys are like, no, listen, this is what you're gonna do instead. Just send them an email. I'm so thankful they're helping me with this because I just give up when it's about dealing with the government. I'm just like, you guys win, I'm out of here. I'll find another way to make money because this shit, like you saw what I was doing. I was out working in these fucking nursery homes, these retirement places, just to be able to get a measly 4,000 Danish a month. Was that like $500-$600? You know, it's nothing. And now I stand to get like $2,000 a month, but I don't have to do shit. So it's looking like if everything pans out, that I am basically gonna be able to get the solar panels and the power pads and the spiked pedals for the electric unicycle. At that point, I'll have everything on my list. I won't know what to spend my money on outside of Faxikondi boosters, you know, that energy drink I like. It's a good position to be in, guys. Just a little over half a year, and I'm gonna be able to order everything on my list. Like, I genuinely don't know what the fuck I'm gonna be spending money on, but that's good. It's gonna allow me to just save them up and accumulate like a good 15,000-20,000 Danish, which would allow me to stay outside of Denmark for more than half a year in a row. And that'll allow me to finally start I guess I'm already living nomadically, going from place to place now. Like I haven't even paid anything to live here yet. Talked to people who live here and they told me, you're gonna have to pay like 1,000 Danish a month, which is nothing. I'm fine with that, especially if I stand to get all this money. But yeah, things are looking up economically, guys. Think about that. Think about all the stuff I've accumulated already in this time, and now I stand to be getting even more money. If I'm lucky, I'm gonna be able to also save up some money just over the next 2 or 3 months. Like, if everything pans out, I may be able to leave the country as soon as 2 or 3 months from now. But of course, I'd like, just because it's gonna be summer now in a few months, I'm gonna stay over the Danish summer. There's a few places I want to go to and a few places I want to travel back to. Like Kiki has expressed a desire to go travel the route that we did with Mike and the Loud Friend back last year. So I want to do that, if not just for her, for myself as well, you know. We had set out to go to Langeland, but we never made it that far, and I'd like to finish that trip because it was like the first journey of this. Well, it was the first trip of this journey for me, and we never actually finished it. Some stuff came in the way, but hey, at least I acquired an electric unicycle by not being out traveling all the time. So things have actually panned out for the better, much better than if everything had gone according to my head. Oh my god, listen, if I get this money, I'm gonna be so happy, guys. I already feel pretty good right now. The government sent me like 3,000 Danish. It's nothing. But I didn't have to pay any rent or any bills or anything, so it's just 3,000 for me. And now I potentially stand to get even more. Forget about it. It's gonna be so nice. I'm gonna start cooking now, guys. I'll see you in a little bit. Oh yeah, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry I don't actually get to show you most of what I'm doing here every day. Most of what I'm doing here is just hanging out with people in this common area right here in the kitchen. It's just I don't want to stick a camera into people's faces in their own fucking home. You know, I know it's a commune. It's not technically anyone who lives here who owns it, but you don't film people in common places in their own home, right? You need some level of consensus, or consent, yeah. So unless I specifically am allowed to show people, I'm not going to. Sorry, guys. But yeah, just know I'm not just in my little corner in my little cave watching YouTube videos all day. I mean, some days I do it quite a bit. You know, most of the day I'm actually hanging out with other people. I think that's also why I'm a lot happier these days. It's great. I've been very alone in that apartment ever since Dion left. This is much better for me. This is my kind of crowd too. I'm listening to the most recent Dr. Viral video on YouTube. It's called No One Knows the Real You. I can highly recommend it. It's pretty good. I like this guy. He makes some really good video essays about deep philosophical themes. You don't really see that a lot from YouTube. Or maybe you do, but then it's just mostly about philosophy. With this guy, it's a bit all over the place. It's very introspective. Highly recommend it. My food's almost ready. This is gonna be good, guys. I'm watching that Dr. Viral video, finishing it up. I'm about to eat this deliciousness. Itadakimasu.